Stellar Development Foundation and Ripple Labs just wrapped up a week in Davos. But you know what we're going to do right now? We're going to explore some fun crypto news. Yes, I know the prices had you down, but these upbeat crypto stories are going to make you laugh and get you through the rest of the day. All right, everyone, let's go screen and explore some fun crypto news. And as always, any article you see in this video will be linked in the description below. It's the weekend, so let's chill out and hang out. And I've got a fun story for you. Sex workers turn to crypto amid stricter industry regs. What is the deal here? We've got hookers on the point getting more regulations than the crypto industry itself. What? Yeah, seriously, this whole article is about how professional workers out there, how their, Visa, MasterCard, their traditional banking systems, whenever it's found out that they're conducting what they're doing at the night with certain Johns, right? When they're found, the banks, when they're found guilty of that stuff, the banks will go after them, right? And they'll close their accounts. But these ladies still need to work, right? So what are they doing? They're going to crypto. Yep, using Bitcoin, well, most obviously, which is so weird. They should probably use Stellar. All right, just putting it out there. Like, ladies, hey, if I got any ladies of the night in the audience, seriously, use Stellar. You'll save on fees, and you'll get your money near instantaneous. So before the John runs out the door, dude, you will have payment. Nice. So, yep, sex workers using crypto to avoid financial regulations. The same regulations that the crypto market oddly needs. So we're going to move from ladies on the point to this next story. Check this out. This is kind of weird. And comment below what you guys think about this one. SpaceX joins Tesla in accepting Dogecoin for merchandise. Like, seriously, I know this isn't like a funny story, but I mean, it is kind of funny. Because think about this. Why would Elon, and through the business of SpaceX and Tesla, why would they expect a token that they would think would go to zero? And that's my point. I don't think that they think that they're going to go to zero. I really believe, seriously, I believe that the elites out there, Elon Musk being one of them, thinks that the majority of the public is dumber than hell. And that meme stuff, right, that has no use, no utility, right, that just becomes a brand, still has value. So that's where Elon is putting his money. He's putting his money that SpaceX and Tesla can now, or will soon be accepting Dogecoin for merch payments. All right, now we're going to move into kind of a sensitive topic. So if you are a little bit of a Nancy out there, you might want to turn it off. Yep, I don't mind losing the view time on this. How does crypto coin burning affect price? Hear me out on this. How is it that the crypto community is cool with burning coins to try to help out price? Because remember, a lot of times when they're burning coins, the demand for the item is going down. So as the demand is going down, you're trying to burn more to, kind of help out with the supply leverage on that. The problem is if the demand keeps going down and you're burning more, you're just burning more for no reason. So how is it that the crypto world is cool with basically throwing their money away in hopes that the rest of their money becomes worth more? What? Yeah, could you imagine that on the stock market? People going, hey, burn your shares so your shares are worth more. What in the hell is going on? Maybe if companies weren't going so crazy with the 100, 300, 500, 8 trillion tokens. Like, seriously, if you guys didn't do that kind of stuff and do all these stupid airdrops to begin with, you probably wouldn't have to be worrying about burning stuff. Isn't that kind of like an indication of, I don't know, what is that, inflation? Oh my gosh, I remember that, reading the stories about World War II, how in Germany, right, you would go and you would shop. By the time you were done shopping, the prices changed because inflation was so bad that the original, marks, right, the German Deutschmarks, would be burnt for heating reasons, for heating fuel. They were burning their paper because it was worthless. Inflation. So when people are burning coins, yes, your coin has kind of like a crazy inflation effect. So how are we cool with that in the crypto community? You buy a token and then you burn it, right? You get rid of it so that the rest of your tokens are worth more. And yet we are totally cool with this. All right, no more coin burning, but let's look at something else that's on fire. Dumpster fire, not the good on fuego. And that's Tether USDT. I just did a video about this, and I got a whole bunch of comments from people like, yo, USDT is fine. What are you talking about? What do you mean, what am I talking about? How about this? Let's go to the 1 year chart for market cap, all right? For all you USDT fanboys out there. Like I said, if you don't want to take this kind of heat, then get the hell out the kitchen. So check it out. At the beginning of 2021, let's do that. Let's go to the beginning of 2021. Or beginning of 2022. I'm sorry about that. Beginning of 2022. We're already negative for market cap. Okay, cool. Let's do this. Let's be fair. Let's blow it out to 1 year. So in 1 year, right, of USDT, the market cap started with 61 billion. Got up to a high of 83 and is now at 72. All right, so we had a delta of 20 billion. And we've now erased from that 20 billion gain in 1 year. This is 1 year. In 1 year, we have erased from 83 to 72, so 11. We've erased, what, 55% of the yearly market cap gains in USDT within a matter of weeks. So if you don't think this is a dumpster fire and people are pulling their money out, trying to test it to see, because they are afraid, because I think we know this is not backed one-to-one, man, you are a fool if you still think USDT is cool, but I still love you and thank you for still watching. All right, so now let's move from one dumpster fire to the next, because for some reason, people just have the propensity of throwing their money away at stupid stuff. Terra Luna 2.0 price falls by over 60% hours after the airdrop. Oh, you mean another airdrop, Oprah, you have a car, you get a car, you get a car program that isn't working? Come on, how many times are we going to try the same crap over and over again and see that it's not working? Yo, Luna, it is dead. So for all you people that are commenting on my channel about, yo, UST is dead, you better hold it, hold Luna coin, shut the hell up, because let me show you something. Here is what it looked like. Yep, they released it, and boom, look at that tank action. Yeah, it sucks. It is a dead project. Yeah, scam, scheme, whatever you want to call it. And even looking at the original chain, I've got the original chain right here. You can see the original chain. Don't be fooled by the greeniness on the chart. Why? Because if I zoom out to even a 1 month time period, you're going to see that it is redder than red. Ask the girls on the point in the earlier story about redder than red. So now we got ladies of the night avoiding sanctions. We got Elon accepting some Dogecoin. He's putting a little risk in there. We got Tether and UST fanboys out there still thinking that their product's awesome. Hold on, let me do the chant so everyone feels better. UST, UST, UST. You guys are a bunch of freaking tools.
UST, UST, UST. UST!
All right, but here is one that I think is kind of important. Brace for crypto market to get weird over Memorial Day. As if we couldn't get weird enough with this video. Yeah, essentially what's going on here is you got to think Memorial Day markets are closed in the United States, traditional stock markets, okay? The problem with that is if on Monday people want to buy something, all right, they're not going to have access to the money in their stock accounts, right, or any of their funds or any of that stuff. So what funds will they have access to on Monday? What funds do people have access to that is trading 24/7 crypto? Yes. So if people need capital this Monday, right, this Memorial Day weekend, and the banks and all that traditional legacy systems are closed, where are they going to cash out from? Cryptocurrency. And we've already seen a huge pullback in market liquidity across the board. All right, we're not just talking like people pulling out of money at UST, USDC, USDT. I'm talking about like across the board. We have seen liquidity pools drained as people are running more to fiat. So now, since you can't go to fiat and people have already been draining crypto, this Monday, we got to be a little bit careful because traditional banks aren't going to be open and people's financial needs are still going to be there. They could drain from their cryptocurrency holdings. All right, I admit I took that last story a little bit too seriously. So to make up for it, let's go big screen. I absolutely love the crypto market space, and I'm a huge crypto bull, but some of these stories just really get me all messed up. You know, especially the coin burning thing. I don't really get the whole premise behind that. I mean, if you've made so much that it's worthless to the point where you have to burn to make the value come back, then you probably shouldn't have made that much to begin with. But see, that's the problem with all these airdrops out there. The crypto industry itself, and I'm talking more about like, say, from the consumer side of it, all right? The crypto industry itself, the consumer really needs to sharpen their pencil quite a bit more and really take another look at things. There's so many scam schemes, so many just crap tokens and projects out there. And even now, I was just looking at Luna Classic. I thought I saw their volume at like 40 something million over the last 24 hours. Like, I mean, I could be told, maybe it was like 70 million, but it was a large amount. And I was like, holy crap, people are still throwing that much money at this piece of garbage. And that's the big problem we're going to have with crypto. That was the weekend crypto news for you. A little bit of fun, a lot less editing, and a whole bunch of weird, odd, wacky stories. If you want to see what I do outside of crypto, check out this video right here. And if you want to see other cool crypto stories, check out this video right here. All right, everyone, take care and have a great rest of your weekend.